Okay, okay, open your eyes, Brishtu. Please open your eyes and look at there.
Oh. It's Taj Mahal.
Isn't that beautiful?
Is that a dream? It's not a dream, it's real.
Hi, good morning. We are heading towards a very small trip, a weekend trip to Taj Mahal, right, to celebrate our 50K subscribers. And secondly, Brishti को अभी तक नहीं पता है कि हम लोग ताज महल जा रहे हैं. And she is so excited to see Taj Mahal for a long time because आजकल उसकी स्टडीज़ में भी ये सब आ गया है. So अभी हम उसको चुपचाप से उठाएंगे. हमने ये बताया कि शिप्रा का ऑफ साइड है. So we will go and drop Mama to airport. So everything is packed. बस सामान गाड़ी में रखना है and bye. See you soon. So guys, bags are absolutely packed और मैंने गाड़ी में रख भी दिए. Brishti still doesn't know about it. It's going to be a real surprise for her. So बस we are very excited for this road trip after a long time. Hey guys, so हम गाड़ी में बैठ चुके हैं वापस. थोड़ा सा 24/7 से हमने अपने सैंडविचेस एंड कॉफी पिक कर लिए because we did not want to waste any time at home. तो Brishti is right there, she is sleeping and हम
Brishti हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं?
मम्मा को ड्रॉप करने जा रहे हैं. ओह, मम्मा को ड्रॉप करने जा रहे हैं. Are you sad or are you excited or what is it? You're excited? Sad, yeah. चलो ठीक है, lie down. All right, so catch you guys soon. Bye. Bye. Brishtu.
कहाँ जा रहे हो?
आप रो क्यों रहे हो? क्यों रो रहे हो? अच्छा बता दो क्यों रो रहे हो आप?
मैं एयरपोर्ट पे जा रही हूँ इसलिए आप रो रहे हो?
Shall we change the plan then?
Will you come with me?
Are you sure? Then please smile then. First of all, you have to smile. Show me your smiling face. Oh, you're so upset. My God. You know what, Brishtu? What? First of all, stop crying. I'll give you news right now.
मैं आगे आ जाती हूँ.
नहीं, यहीं से ठीक है. आप थोड़ा आगे हो जाओ. We are what? We are going to Agra right now.
To see Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal.
No, I'm not going anywhere.
That's a surprise for you. We trapped you.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere, Jonah. Oh, मेरा बच्चा.
Happy now?
Happy?
Did you like the surprise? Did you like the surprise?
Show your happy face there.
High five.
I'm not.
Was that a good surprise? Chalo, say hi to everybody.
Say hi. So you're happy, right?
चलो, see you guys. So that was a surprise. तो Brishti चुपचाप से पीछे लेट के रो रही थी because she thought her mom is going. So now she is very happy. Full tight hug to mama. Alright guys, so now we are on the highway. So I guess it's about it's Yamuna Expressway. So यहाँ से it's about 200 kilometers. It's exactly 200 kilometers Agra.
Someone is excited now.
Right, Brishti? Hi. Why are we going? Why are we going to Agra?
Agra?
Yes.
To see Taj Mahal.
Yes. Are you excited?
We are also going to swim in a swimming pool.
All right, we will do all of that. So we are very excited. Brishti एकदम fresh हो चुकी है. अब उसने एक छोटा सा power nap भी ले लिया. So we are on. नहीं लिया था. अच्छा, तो relax कर लिया अभी.
हाँ.
Relax हो गई अभी. All the energy is on her face. You can see that. Right? Oh. Hi. this is where we have taken our first break. So we are getting into Costa right now, right? So that's the first pit stop. So it's about 80 odd kilometers from here. तो एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेंगे आधे घंटे का, थोड़ा सा कुछ खाते हैं. बृष्टि को भी भूख लग गई है, पक गई है बेचारी. Alright guys.
Wow, see?
There's a water.
Alright guys, finally we have reached. So guys, finally we have checked in. Brishti is very excited. You can take off your mask now. There is nobody else here. Absolutely. We are going.
We are going to Acham.
Hi guys, we are right at the entrance of the Agra Fort. It's actually beautiful. Shipra, Brishti, we are all very excited.
खास महल शाहजहां मुमताज़ का बेडरूम है, ये मुमताज़ महल.
Okay.
और ये बगल में शाहजहां मुमताज़ की छोटी लड़की का बिल्डिंग है, इनका नाम रोशनारा था. महल का डिजाइन पाल की मॉडल से अभी आपको दिखाएंगे. ये ऊपर में हम जितना रूम्स देख रहे हैं, मुगलों के ऑफिस होते हैं, इनको रिकॉर्ड रूम कहते थे सर.
Okay.
और डाउन में हम रूम देख रहे हैं, यहाँ रानियों के लिए बाजार लगता है, जिसको मीना बाजार कहते थे.
अच्छा, ये मीना बाजार.
मुगलों की जो रानियाँ थी उनको बाहर जाना अलाउड नहीं था, लेकिन बाजार को अंदर में परमिशन दिया जाता था.
Hello girls.
We're having a wonderful time.
Are you guys having a good time?
Yes.
Rishtu, you're able to understand something? Dekhe. A little bit? Little bit about Akbar, Shahjahan, Aurangzeb, Jodhabai.
I love Jodhabai.
You love Jodhabai?
Because she's a queen and she's a she.
Oh, because she's a she. All right.
And girls are the best and boys.
And girls are the boys. Acha.
So
Acha.
Babas are good,
Babas are good. All right.
but not boys.
Okay.
Like not the small boys.
Not the small boys. Okay. Chalo, let's go.
Why the king and the queens can't be so normal like we are?
That's the reason why they are king and queen, na? They can't live a normal life like us. Otherwise, they can't be king and queen.
ये आप जो बिल्डिंग देख रहे हैं, इस बिल्डिंग को दीवाने आम कहते हैं.
दीवाने आम.
लोकसभा मीटिंग हॉल पब्लिक फोरम. यहाँ मीटिंग चलता तो उनका न्याय और फैसला किया जाता. बिल्डिंग को कह सकते हैं, बिल्डिंग एक जजमेंट प्लेस है, लाइक पब्लिक कोर्ट है.
So guys, that's it. यहाँ पे आगरा फोर्ट हम आए थे and we had a amazing time.
Yes.
Brishtu को बहुत मस्ती हुई है, but look at her face. She is very tired now because forts are big, right? And she asked a
she's
question
sleepy
that
also.
why can't king and queen live a normal life like us? Why can't they have a small house?
Why they need such big house?
Because मेरा बच्चा थक गया अब. So that's about it from Agra Fort. कल morning में we will be going to the Taj Mahal. All right, see you guys. Bye. Hi guys, good morning. So it's about 7:30 the next day. Unexpectedly मैं शिप्रा गुड्डू हम लोग सब रेडी हो गए हैं because we are so excited about ताज महल. शिप्रा ऑलरेडी ताज महल ही लग रही है, वाइट कपड़े पहने हुए. Brishti is always ready with her mask, so we always have our
Yes.
mask ready. So yes,
Let's
good girl.
go.
Let's go.
The weather is very
जल्दी से,
nice.
weather is very nice. So that's our hat master. She had to buy this hat. She's a pure tourist. So guys, we are heading towards the Taj Mahal. So from West Gate, you need to board these carts, the golf carts. They take 10 rupees per head because from the main gate where you park your car, it's about 500 meters. Now we have entered. Brishti is super excited, it seems, right? And ब्रिष्टि और ब्रिष्टि के मम्मी के अलग ही गेम्स हैं. अभी यहाँ से आंखें बंद करके ब्रिष्टि जा रही है. एंड हर मॉम वांट्स हर टू सी ताज महल फ्रॉम द मेन गेट, द फर्स्ट व्यू. Okay, open your eyes, Brishtu. Please open your eyes and look it there.
Taj Mahal.
Isn't that beautiful?
Is this a dream?
It's not a dream, it's real.
It's not a dream, Brishtu. Are you happy?
It's so beautiful.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
It's so fascinating, right?
So, Brishtu, what do you have to say?
Like, I wish for seeing something so beautiful with my family. So this is the best thing I've ever seen.
Wow. This is actually the best thing we have ever seen, all of us. Guys, I've been here at least 10-12 times since my childhood. But every time I come here, it gives me goosebumps, right? So beautiful. It's so beautiful. And for Brishti, of course, it's the first time. And हम साथ में पहली बार आए हैं. Brishtu, now we will go up. Oh my God.
So big.
It's so big, na? It was like this much, na, before? And now? You're happy to touch now? So guys, here we are chilling. Beautiful weather हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Brishti, Shipra, we are just sitting here. See, so that's the backdrop, and that's Taj Mahal. We are gonna spend some more time here, जब तक भूख ना लगे, because one good thing and bad thing, food is not allowed inside. Good क्योंकि लोगों को बिल्कुल सेंस नहीं है यार, वो लिटर करके इस इतने ब्यूटीफुल मोनूमेंट को बिल्कुल ख़राब कर देंगे. आई एम एब्सोल्युटली श्योर. एंड बैड इसलिए क्योंकि भूख लग रही है. अभी थोड़ा खाना होता तो अच्छा होता. दैट्स यमुना रिवर एट द बैकग्राउंड. Hi guys, so we are heading back to the parking now.
Yes.
बहुत ही ज़्यादा मस्ती करी हम लोगों ने. We spent about 2-3 hours here. Spent a
Coming here, you must spend a lot of time.
Yeah.
So
Right. Bye bye. You're excited. Hi guys, so we are all set to go back now. Right? हमने अपने बैग वगैरह पैक कर लिए हैं. Everything is packed. It was a very tiny trip, but we have promised ourselves that now from every 2 months or maximum 3 months we should go out for a trip, right, Brishti?
Yeah.
Right? So say bye to everybody.
Bye.
See you very soon. Bye.